All right, so we are in BJ's and we're in holiday swing. I just want to know, where are you putting this?
Where are you putting this? Look how big the box is. Show them.
The box, to be fair, is pretty compact, but even then,
You have to do this somewhere. It might not be that difficult to
yeah,
put
but
together.
can you get it back in the box the same way that it is? When
That's
it
why.
originally get it back in
Remember
box?
the big old box we showed you at Home Depot the other day? That's what it's for. And if Halloween isn't over and done with in your mind, look at Christmas. Look at this. Look at this.
Halloween is not over and done with in August.
And we already got advent calendars up and ready for Christmas. This one looks good. You know I love me some Lindt chocolate. These are nice. This one is adorable for size comparison. What else they got? Oh! Show me, show me, show me, show me. I love this. Look at this.
That is a shiny jack.
Man, he is sharp. This I love. Let's see where Mickey got him. Ooh, Mickey got some shiny. Red shorts. I really don't got nothing special.
What you mean she don't have nothing special? Her
Yeah,
shoes are
but
shiny.
look how-
Her bow is shiny.
I know, but it's just her bow and her shoes. He got her whole pants.
He ain't got on no shirt.
But like, they could have put in a cute little, cause her collar.
He does not have a
Her
shirt on.
collar?
That's exactly what he has.
He got some hot shorts. Hot boy shorts.
He look like he work at Chippendales.
Yes.
And not the rescue rangers.
This is cute. Decor. We got Stitch. We got Mickey. I don't know how big they are.
The pumpkin looks a little bit more close to scary.
And then we have some more plushes. These are cute.
You wanna dress up
Squishmallows. You want to dress up like the squishies?
Can't beat that.
Another thing you'll notice now is that like school supplies that were $30 before, now they're $10 off. So these All Tech Kid Safe are now $20. Let's look at the summer deals. Guys, so you see that these things are on sale. You've already gotten the school list from these schools from a couple months ago. Save those lists. So if your kid is in 2nd grade, look at the supplies for 3rd grade and pick up whatever you can on sale now. So next school year, you're not trying to rummage through and getting these things at higher prices.
They
These
will
are
try to
$2.50
change
off.
some of it, but
The likelihood of the list changing that much is kind of
not that dramatic.
It's not going to be that dramatic. Notebooks, you know they're going to need notebooks. You know they're going to need pencils. Every teacher talks about these Tikana Roga pencils. $9. This is a 72 pack. If you have multiple kids, each kid can get 2 packs, or give them away to teachers, give them away to kids in need, whatever it is. That's a really good price. It's $2 off, so you're getting it for $9. Pens, or the teachers might need pens. The teachers might need markers. All that stuff is on sale now. As you can see, grab some stuff now so you're not buying things full price next year. All right, so we are again BJ's. This is Thomas Farms free range goat cubes, and it's halal. The pieces are small. They are frozen. It is $10.99. Let's try it.